Have you ever wondered what would happen if you plank every day for just 1 minute? Stick around as we explore the benefits of daily planking. Planking is a simple bodyweight exercise that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your core, arms, and back. It's a fantastic way to improve your overall strength and stability. First off, your core strength will skyrocket. Planking engages your deep core muscles like no other exercise, leading to improved posture and reduced risk of back pain. Secondly, you'll notice improved balance and stability, leading to better coordination and reduced risk of falls, especially as you age. Before you dive headfirst into daily planking, it's essential to understand the potential drawbacks. Planking can put excessive strain on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders, especially if you're not maintaining proper form. Remember, quality over quantity is key. With consistency, you'll likely experience improvements in core strength, balance, and stability. Just be sure to listen to your body and avoid overdoing it. Thanks for joining us today on our exploration of the benefits of daily planking. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content.